Some more information coming in with regards to Delhi's decision to hike liquor prices. Delhi government now defends its decision to hike taxes on liquor by 70% in Delhi High Court. Replying to a plea challenging the hike in price of liquor, Delhi government has now said that purchase of liquor is not a fundamental right. The State Excise Department can regulate and restrict sales. State revenue had plummeted during the COVID-19 lockdown. This is the Delhi government's response. Let's quickly go over to Anisha joining us for more details on this. Anisha, the Delhi government now defending its decision, saying that liquor sale is not a fundamental right, and it's now increased liquor prices by 70%. And replying to that, they say, the Delhi government says sale and purchase of liquor is not a fundamental right. Therefore, the State Excise Department can regulate and restrict sales. Please go ahead with what more do we know?
Well, Nabila, this petition that had come before the Delhi High Court had raised the argument that this kind of hike is denying access to people. It is also denying the right of trade of the liquor stores, and the Delhi government does not have the authority under the law to hike prices in this manner. The Delhi government, of course, in its affidavit has completely negated all of these arguments. They are saying that as the Excise Department, they do have every right under the Delhi Excise Act to regulate the prices, particularly since liquor consumption or liquor sale is not a fundamental right. Liquor, in fact, is a restricted item because it is injurious to health, and that is why it is the government's prerogative to control its sale. Second thing that the Delhi government has said, that only a limited number of government liquor shops have been opened, and all security and distancing mechanisms have been put in place to ensure that the COVID pandemic spread does not happen. Thirdly, what they are arguing is that because of this 70% cess that has been added, the Delhi government has earned about 227 crore rupees since the liquor stores were opened, and this is a significant contribution to the overall budget of the city, because Delhi normally earns about 3,000 crores in taxes when it comes to in the pre-lockdown period. That was the earning per month. But this time, because of the lockdown, the earning of the city has gone down by more than 90%, and that is why the decision to hike cess on liquor was taken. And further, only the cess has been calculated as per the MRP of the liquor itself. No extra charge on the liquor itself has been charged. That is the government's stand, that we have the right to hike the taxes on liquor because it is a hazardous material, and you do not have the fundamental right to consume or sell liquor. Right. The hearing now is expected in the High Court tomorrow.
Anisha, thank you very much for joining us with those details.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.